Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, April the 30th, 2012. Well, a change of trend today and a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low, and a black-bodied candle. The black body denotes the sellers making net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, as opposed to the buyers over the previous 3 days. As the trend continued over the previous 3 days, we saw the size of the body reduce, and that told us that the buyers were continually making less and less momentum each day as they were trading higher. We did see the market break out above the 1400 level, but today we've seen the market close down below there once again, so this is an important level for this market. We had the market break out above there on an indecisive spinning top type candle, and the buyers didn't continue with the upside momentum that they had over the previous 2 days, and today the sellers have come back in and taken control of this market, but only fairly weak control. They've closed the market only just down below the midpoint level, so the amount of control that they've had at the close was quite weak. We have a larger shadow on the bottom of this candle, and that represents the sellers losing commitment throughout the trading day as well, and that coincides with the high, this swing high, and that's where the buyers came back in. So we now have this area of previous resistance turning into support for this market, and that is an important level going forward tomorrow. That's around 1393, just below where the low traded to today. In terms of Ichimoku, the market is trading above the cloud, above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, so the market's bullish in all 3 timeframes. And looking at the Chikou span here, that's just above the close of the corresponding price action, so confirming the bullishness that we're seeing, but basically very close to the close, so not a very strong confirmation. We have a flat Kijun-sen, and we saw the market attracted back towards the flat Kijun-sen, and while that remains flat, once again the market will be attracted back towards there, and that's what's happened today. So there is every likelihood that the market will continue with this trend to the downside and test down to this 1389 level where the Kijun-sen is trading at. Very strong support down below here through the cloud from 1385 extending all the way down to roughly 1347, so very strong support. Resistance overhead is obviously at this minor swing high around 1407, and then these 3 swing high levels extending up to 1422. So a market that's bullish in big picture terms, a second time frame uptrend with the market making a series of higher peaks and higher troughs. But the short-term dynamics are no longer supporting the buyers, but by the same token the sellers did lose some commitment throughout the trading day. Likely that the market will test lower, but we will find support and bounce off that level and test back up to 1400 once again.